My name is Dr. Naseeba Kat. Everyone knows me as Dr. Kat. I'm from sunny South Africa.
Can you share your experience with Indian Flower Remedies?
So I met Dr. Atul at another course that I came to in India, and he spoke about Indian Flower Remedies, and I was very interested because I think that the future of medicine is to go backwards, to go forwards, and we know that in ancient times original medicine was using plants and herbs and nature to heal. And when he spoke about flower remedies, that really interested me, because in South Africa we are surrounded by beautiful nature, and learning from somebody who has such many years, I mean he's got over 30 years of experience with him and his wife Dr. Rupa, and coming here has been an amazing experience, just opening my eyes to the world that's around us and how we can access nature to treat and to heal and go back to being real healers and doctors again.
How's the workshop here?
You know, connecting with the people and just listening to what the other doctors are doing, and of course the vast experience of Dr. Rupa and Dr. Atul, and them taking us to their clinic and sharing stories and the anecdotes and the patients that they've seen has really grounded me and made me realize that the more we know, the less we know, and we have to keep learning and keep reaching out to others, because knowledge is best when knowledge is shared.
And last question, any message to people if they should give flower remedies a try?
You know, I'm definitely, the first thing I'm going to do when I go back home, I've actually started Googling the plants that are in my garden, and I didn't even realize, for example, I've got a protea flower that grows in my backyard, and protea is used for diarrhea, for cough, and for chest infections. I'm definitely going to start trying it. So if you want to try it, I mean, why not? There isn't any side effects, and the worst thing that can happen is it's not going to work. But try it. And you know, for me, I'm so excited to go back home and start using African flowers and try African flower remedies.